I want to show you how anyone can scrape job listings from adzuna.com.au in minutes, no coding needed, with Minexa.ai. Land on the adzuna.com.au page where your list of job listings is already loaded and visible. At this point, click the Minexa extension icon. One click and it opens. With the extension open, hit I'm on the right page, and Minexa analyzes the layout. Minexa just figured out where the job data is and how the site navigates through pages. At this point, choose List Mode, or go deeper by scraping the detail page of each job result. Most setups only need Continue, Advanced, if clicking or filling something is needed before the list loads. See the highlighted section? Hit Create Scraper, and Minexa figures out every data field. You never have to set it up again. All fields detected. Minexa even picked up data hidden inside the page, like job titles, companies, locations, and salaries. Developers, click API Request and copy the code. The scraper ID is already in there. Just add your URLs. Now, just click Complete Configuration, and the scraper is saved. Minexa detected the pagination. Every run moves through all pages automatically. Final screen. Set a frequency here if you want Minexa to rerun this automatically. Then complete setup. Hit Run. Extraction starts immediately and automatically. Run this again tomorrow on the same page and you get the exact same result. Same columns, same values, same structure, making it dependable for any recurring data workflow you have. Typical data includes job title, company name, location, salary, and posting date, all perfectly organized. Click Export. Every scraped result is its own row with all fields already separated. Any website, any data, no code. For developers, that also means no beautiful soup, no Selenium, no infrastructure to build or maintain.